Suppose if you are using Windows 10 computer, and in this computer if you are using many languages, that is if you change the languages from English to other languages, then you can choose the language from here. You can add language from here. So we can add, okay, I'm going to add Hindi here, HINDM. Okay, I add Hindi here. Next, and after that I press the install button. So now you can see that the year Hindi is also added, and in this video we are showing how to change the languages using a keyboard shortcut. For doing this, you must press the Windows key and the space bar key, and that is if now it is in English, and already I installed the Hindi and Malayalam keyboards. And if you want to change from one language to another, then there is a simple method is that you must press the Windows key here, and at the same time you must press the space bar key also. That is you must press the Windows key and space bar at the same time, and you can see that here it is changing. That is if we press once again and again, that is if we press the Windows key and space bar key, then you can see that it is Hindi now. Again I press the Windows key and space bar key, you can see that it become English. So hope you understood how to change languages using keyboard shortcut. For more updates like this, subscribe Engineers Online. Thank you.